Hello and welcome back to KM Webverse. This is Kashif Mahmood. In this video, I will tell you how you can remove my account feature, including this icon from your Shopify store. So here I am using Horizon theme. So I will show you how you can do that in Horizon theme in this video. So for example, when we click on my account icon over here, we see this thing sign in, orders and profile. So user can sign in if they want and they will be able to see the orders that they have placed, and also they can edit their profile. But if you want to remove this feature and the icon from the Horizon theme, then you will have to go to your dashboard, and here you will have to go to online store. Here you can go to customize. So here you can see the header, you can click on it. So here when you are in the header, here you see customer account. You can manage visibility in the customer account settings. If you want to disable the search icon, then you can just do that directly from here. But if you want to change the visibility of the account, then you can click on manage visibility over here. So here you can see customer accounts. Here if you want to turn it off, here you see show sign in links. You can click on it and you can toggle it to the off. Now go back to the website and click on refresh, and here you can see that my account feature is completely removed from the theme. So that's how you can remove the my account feature from your Shopify store in Horizon theme. So that's it for the video. If you need any help with Shopify, do let me know in the comment section. You can also contact me. My contact details are provided in the description of the video. So that's it for this video. Like this video and subscribe to my channel for more related videos. See you next time.